Right, so we are live at the moment. I hope my mic is working. Yep, it's working fine. Alright, so I had to do some hackering, so I thought why not stream it? Uh, yeah, so I think we should just start it. So I have to get back to hackering and leak coding as well. Let's just do some of these problem solving ones. Alright, not C++. I do like C++, but not that much. It's just hard with the garbage collection and everything. Sometimes I get null pointers and everything. Okay, let's see. Alice and Bob each created one problem for hackering rates the two challenges awarding on a scale of 1 to 100 for through cutting problem clarity, originality, and difficulty. Alright, so we have these. The task will be find the comparison for all of these. If AI is greater than BI. I mean, if it's right. I mean, if we always have, yeah, we have three values, right? So let's iterate through them in range of 3. So we'll go from 0 to 3. No, I think we should make it 2 because I0, I1, I2. Yeah. Wait, so what do we have to return? Oh, we have to return an array. Okay, so let's just make an array. We'll initialize this array to store all the scores in it. So, I mean, we just have if conditions after the, because if a, what if they're equal? That's also a thing. If they're equal, none of them receive a point. Okay, so if a of I is greater than, let's just iterate them as 0, 0. Then a, no, then we have to update res of I is equal. Just add 1 to it. And else if a of I is less than b of I, then what we want to do is we want to do res of not I. It's gonna be 0 because Alice is first. 0 and 1 plus equals to 1. Else what we want to do, I mean, if it just works like that, then we don't really have to do anything. Then we want to just return res. Let's see, for I in range of 2. Does it go till 3 or something? Okay. Yep, I guess that is the code for it. Cool. Alright, let's go on to the next problem. What's wrong with this? Why does it look so weird? Recently, the city began regular maintenance. For various roads, every road gets blocked. One consider all the roads can be used. You and Miss New Internet need some. But the ad, how are you supposed to read the thingy? I'll just try a different problem. We look at some of the discussions. I just want to know how you read it. Okay. Yeah, I don't think I can do this. Okay. HackerRanking University has the following grading policy. Every student must receive a grade from 0 to 100. Alright, any grade less than 40 is failing. So 84 rounded to 85, because 84 is less than 3. Sam is a professor at university and likes to round each student grade according to these rules. The difference between the grade and next multiple of 5. Okay, so I have to find that. Graded up to 5. Okay. Wait, so what do you have to return? Return into n the grades after rounding off. So okay, let's initialize it with a result for I in range of length. Alright, so we iterate through all the grades. Okay, first let's just do this. If it's less than 40, then they failed. Yeah. If grades I is less than 40, then we just add grades of I. Okay, and if it's other than that, what we want to do. Okay, I think what we could do to get the nearest, let's say, multiple of 5. For example, 73. We could first divide it with 5 and then add 1 to it to check. Yeah, I think that sounds good. But But I think if it's already a multiple of 5, then we also we just want to append it, so percentage, sorry. If it's equal to 0, then we just want to do the same thing. I mean, we could just put this in an OR then. And then okay, now this is where the tricky part comes. And what we want to do is we want to take, let's say, closest div is equal to grades of I. Let's take the integer value with 5, sorry. Alright, so we have the closest value to it, and what we want to do is we want to add 1 to it. Alright, we added 1 to the value so that we get the next multiple, right? So then what we want to do, let's first add closest div plus 1 then we want to multiply by 5 to get the next value. Alright, so next what we want to do is if grades of I, if closest div minus grades of I, if it's less than 3, then we just want to append. I mean, no, if it's less than 3, alright, sorry, this is the else condition. So if it is less than 3, we want to do is we want to res dot append closest div. I also want to do this, and then when this whole for loop goes, just want to return res. What the? Okay, we got 7367. My output is 1 value. I'm appending to it, so where's a 1 value? Why it's not appending? Why so many? Yeah, this is one tab. Oh, wait, do I? Okay, it's giving. Okay, what I see is just giving the first value. Oh, okay. Oh. Oh, sorry. Okay, this is 40. Why is it coming 40? For I, if grades is less than 40, or grades of I is, yeah. Oh, percentage 5, sorry. Is it still coming 40? If grades of I is less than 40, where is... Any grade less than 40 is a failing grade, yeah. Why isn't my output working? Okay, so we go through every iteration. If grades of I is less than 40, if it's already a percentage of 5, then we just want to append the grade. Yeah, then why is it going in here? Huh. That is weird. Since 40 minus 38 is less than 3. Oh, okay. So, you also have to check for that. Okay. Then I think this algorithm is correct. I don't even need this if condition. Oh wait, I do need it only for the multiple part. $35, okay. It's also going for that. I mean, what I could do is just do it till like 37 because they said less than 3. I think it'll be 36. Wait. Let me see. I think it'll be 36. Oh, wait, no, it worked. Great. Alright, let's... Sam's house, an apple tree, an orange tree that yields an abundance of fruits. Using the information below, determine the number of apples or oranges that land on Sam's house. It's just like a grid problem, I guess. Yeah, I don't think I'll be doing this one. Might have to. Okay. Sam's house is an apple tree and an orange tree that yield an abundance of fruit. Using information below, determine the number of apples that land on Sam's house. Okay. Red region denotes the house where S is the start point and T is the end point. Assume the trees are located on a single point. Apple trees at point A and orange trees at point B. When a fruit falls from its tree, it lands D units. Along the x-axis, negative value D means that the fruit trees right. Okay. Okay, so we have S T A B, apples and oranges. Okay. It's a lot of math. I don't like math. Let's try a different one. You're choreographing a circuit with various animals for connect. You're given 2 kangaroos on a number line, ready to jump in the positive direction towards infinity. First kangaroo starts at x1 and moves at v1 meters per jump. Second kangaroo is x2, v2 meters per jump. Alright. Which are both kangaroos the same location at the same time as part of the shows? If it is possible, yes. Otherwise, no. Okay. Where's the... Oh, okay. Why is it in black? I mean, we just have to add them. x1. We keep adding with v1. I mean, let's say x1. There has to be a formula for this, I guess. Right, it's clear that the kangaroos may have the same location. Number 12 on the line. Okay, so I don't even know what's the limit of this. I mean, if both of the values are really large, then I don't think they can make it. Like if x1 is greater than x2 and v1 is greater than v2, then return no. I mean, look at the return no, right? Yeah. Yeah, result is equal to this. We have to return a string, right? Yeah. To convert it to a string or something? I don't even know what I'm doing. To put in a variable. Yeah, this thing is doing something. Oh, it can't be none. Okay. So return yes. Here's no. Get rid of this. Okay, why am I saving it? Okay. This is how it'll work. I mean, let's try to submit it. What if it works? Okay, we did pass some test cases. Pass more than half. Okay. And if x1 is less than x2 and v1 is less than v2, and we also wanna return no. Did it actually work? No. Ah, crap. We made it worse. I think there should be like the base case for this. Put some parentheses for this. Then we want to return null. I'm thinking, sorry, but I don't know, like, what's the range? Like, can we go to like 100 or something? There has to be a formula for this. The distance? No, it's not distance formula. Let's say x1. Let's say, well, x. Okay, let's see if both are also equal. Alright, same. Okay, if x1 is equal to x2, this is what we have to find, right? I think we should put in a while loop. Can we do this recursively? That's what I was thinking. Let's say while. Okay, well, x1 is not equal to x2. x1 plus v1 is equal to x2 plus v2. Once they're equal, It will break out and return yes. How we put a counter here for 100. Let me know it's less than 100. Let's put a condition inside. I is less than 100. What's wrong with else? Well, I think I should put this in the ending, that's why. With so many test cases we pass. Did we do worse? Why isn't... Oh, okay. We did the same. I can't think of this right now. Or just end the stream right here.